Today, the Professor of RVing is taking you inside his coach to fix a drawer that has come off of its track.
The face frame drawer socket broke on this kitchen drawer. So now I've got to go to Home Depot and locate the part.
This is one of the Professor's favorite places, Home Depot. The reason I like it is because you can buy stuff in here that works in your RV, like this drawer that we've got to fix. Let's go see if we can find the part. There's lots of good stuff in here. These are face frame door sockets, and this is what you need to replace the drawer. You can find them right here in the hardware aisle at Home Depot. Aisle 13? Aisle 13. For $1.29. And that's all you gotta spend. You get 2 of them, so save the other one for something that breaks in the future.
First you have to remove the old part. Next, remove the rail. After you've done that, you take the face frame drawer socket out of the package, put it on the end of the rail. Place the rail back into the cabinet, and fasten it to the back, and also to the front. Now the drawer is as good as new. There you go. Easy.
And that's how you replace a broken face frame drawer socket. I'm Jim Twomley, Professor of RVing, Doctor of RVology, and Rhodes Scholar. Until next time, thank you for watching.